Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a World Coin Hunt which I've designated World Coin Hunt 28. The first coin that you're seeing here is an Italian 100 lira. On the obverse we have a man's portrait with the name of the country. It's fairly well a standard coin for that type of year. And then on the reverse we have the value of the coin, we have the year of the coin, and we have Minerva by the olive tree. This is a 1961 coin, sorry, a 1964 coin, and the mintage is 31,300,000. The second coin of the hunt is this coin. Oh, there we go. It is a Barbadian coin from Barbados, obviously. It's 5 cents from 1988. We have the coat of arms, the year and the country on this obverse side of the coin, and on the reverse we have a lighthouse excuse me, with the value. This 1988 coin from Barbados has a mintage of 4,200,000. Third coin of the hunt is this one. It's a Rui Didi coin, and it's from South Africa. It's a 1 cent coin from 1994. On here we have the year, the country and the coat of arms of the country. On the reverse, which is has a bit of blue differential rusting type thing on it, we have the value and 2 Cape Sparrows. The mintage for this 1994 coin is 238,994,000. The next coin in this hunt is, it's that way up, I believe, is an early coin from the Netherlands from 1943. On the front, on the obverse here, we have the name of the country and a Celtic cross. On the reverse of the coin, let's make sure I get this the right way up. There, that's the right way up. We have the value on the far side, on the left hand side. We have the year, and we have water feature, and also the wheat ears that goes round. This is a German occupation coin from the Netherlands. It was issued during German occupation in 1943. The mintage of this Dutch coin is 71 million exactly, but it is a German occupation coin, minted during German occupation. The next one is from France, and it's a 5 centime from 1990. We have on the obverse Marianne and the name of the country. On the reverse, let's get this the right way up, we have the value, we have the year, and we have the wheat ears. The mintage for this coin is 80,002,011. The last coin in the first pile of coins that I have, first of 3 piles of coins, is a 25 centavos coin. It is from the year 2009, and its manufacturer, its country is Argentina. On this side you have the value and the year from 2009, and on the reverse, or on the obverse, is a monastery and the country name. The monastery is the Cabildo building. That's Cabildo. The mintage for this Argentinian coin is 158 million. We come back to France for the next coin. Again we have Marianne and the name of the country on the obverse. It's a 1967 coin. It's a 20 centimes. You have the value, the year and the wheat is on the reverse. The mintage for this coin is 138,782,305. We then go to Italy as our next stop on this journey. We have a lady's head on the front of the coin with the name of the country. It's a 200 lira from 1980. On the reverse, or on the reverse, we have the value of the coin, the year of the coin, and it's encased within the cog design. This coin from 1980 has a mintage of 105,690,000. This next coin is from Slovakia, Slovenské. Slovakia. It's a 1SK or a Koruna. That's Koruna. It's from 1983. On this side you have the coat of arms, the country and the year, and on the reverse you have a mother and child and the value. We believe the mother and child, from what I've found out, is actually the Madonna and child. The mintage for this coin is 80,280,000. We have another small coin now from the country of Israel. 10 argot from 1985. On the front we have the coat of arms plus a flower. On the reverse of the Israeli coin we have the value in a square. No, we don't, we just have the value. This 1985 10 argot coin has a mintage of 45 million. The next one is a Romanian coin. It's our friend the Tembani, issued in 2011. On this side you have the country, the coat of arms and the year. On the reverse is very plain and he just has the value of the coin. This is of a common mintage and there are no actual mintage figures for this coin. The last one in the second pile, we do have a third pile so don't worry, is a Greek coin of 5 drachma from 1992. On the front here we have Aristotle, who lived between 384 and 322 BC. On the reverse of the coin we have the value and the year. There are no mintage figures. Whoops, let's get that in there. There are no mintage figures for this coin. Okay, the final pile of coins. The first one is from France. It's an aluminium coin. It's from Vichy, France, from 1945. It's a double-headed axe. There are 3 mintage letters, A, B and C. A has a mintage of 173,213,850. The B has a mintage of 13,622,074, and the C has a mintage figure of 74,859,005. On the reverse of the coin It's an aluminium coin. It is a commemorative. We have the value, the year, and oak leaves. As I say, this one is a Vichy France coin. I was unable to distinguish which of the mintages it is, so I gave you all three. Let's get that the right way up. We have another Diddy coin. This one from Mexico. It's a 50-cent coin from 2017. On this side we have the coat of arms of the country and the country name. On the reverse we have the value plus the year. This 27 50-cent coin has a mintage of 686 million. Well, that is one hell of a lot of coins. This one here is from Spain. It's a 5 peseta coin from 1980. It shows Juan Carlos I, is the country and the year is also on the front there. We have a star mark of 1982 on this coin. On the back, on the reverse, we have the 5 pesetas. Oops, is that the right one? I think I may have got these mixed up. Ah, there we go. That's the one that should be in here. It's a 1982 coin. It's a 5 peseta coin. It shows the World Cup. It has a star value of 1982, and the mintage of this 1982 coin is 291 million. I had them in the wrong order there. I do apologise. The next one is a Gulden from Spain. There we go. It shows Juliana and has the country's name on it. It's from 1978. On the reverse we have the crown shield of the Netherlands. We have the value, the country and the year. The mintage for this Netherlands 1 Gulden coin is 30 million. Right, that's right, that way round. This one is a Peruvian coin. It's 50 centavos. It's from the year 2000. You have the coat of arms, the year and the country, and then on the reverse of this coin, or the reverse, we have the value and the I think that's a wheat ear, and we also have a design going down the right hand side. There is no mintage figures available for this coin. The next one is this 5 pesetas that I got into the wrong place. This one shows Juan Carlos I, and on the you have the coat of arms on the back. This is a 1985 coin. It has a mintage of 200 million. I'm trying to find on these ones. You do have the cross swords going across the back of the shield, which is slightly unusual. Again, from Spain, we have a 5 peseta coin that shows Franco, the year and the country on this side. It's from 1957. Dated on the front. On the rear we do have a star, but the star is indistinguishable to what actual year it is, so I'm not sure. And because we can't read the star number, I can't give you a mintage for this coin. The final coin of the hunt is from Greece. It shows Aristotle, who was alive between 384 and 322 BC. On the front, on the rear, on this one we have 5 drachmas from 1982, and we have a mintage of 42,647,000. Right. I'd like to thank you for staying to the end of the hunt. I have 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy. Also, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. In the meantime, thank you very much. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I would be delighted if you would subscribe to the channel, as I am trying to grow it. However, in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you feel you want to. If you enjoyed it, thank you very much, and I will see you again very shortly in the near future, hopefully. Until then, from me, bye bye. Ta-ra now. Bye bye.